Hello students, welcome to the online classes. In this video, we continue with the chapter Magnetism. Today we'll study about electromagnets. An electromagnet is a magnet that consists of a piece of iron or steel surrounded by a coil. The metals becomes magnetic when an electric current is passed through the coil. Material used for electromagnets is a core of ferromagnetic material like soft iron is used for temporary magnets while steel is used for making permanent magnets. The strength of an electromagnet depends on the following factors. Increasing the current in the coil. If we increase the current in the coil, the strength of electromagnet also increases. And increasing the number of turns of the coil as it strengthens and concentrates the magnetic field more than a single turn of coil. Electromagnets are commonly used in electric motors and bells, loudspeakers, headphones, MRI machines, etc. Now we'll study the uses of magnets. Some uses of magnets are in medicine. Many sportsmen use tectonic magnets to relieve pain. They are placed on the inner sole of shoes and make contact with the acupressure points present on the soles of the feet. Magnets are also used in magnetic resonance imaging or MRI technology. In consumer goods, magnetic strips store the owner's information as encoded data in credit and debit cards. This information is exchanged when the user swipes the card at the supermarkets and at ATMs. Magnetic coatings to store data are used in VHS tapes and audio cassettes, floppy disks, and hard drives. Speakers and microphones also use permanent magnets. In industrial use, electric motors and generators use permanent magnets like the simple dynamo used in bicycles for illuminating a lamp. Magnets are used in cranes in junkyards to separate metallic junk from the non-metallic junk. Magnets are also used in compass needles for navigational purposes. A powerful and efficient application of magnet is in maglev trains where the vehicle is levitated using magnets. Now we'll study about the care and storage of magnets. Magnets have a tendency to lose their magnetism if not stored properly. Magnets get demagnetized when heated, hammered, or dropped from some height. Therefore, care must be taken in handling and storing magnets when not in use. Magnets should be stored using magnetic keepers, which are pieces of soft iron. In a magnetic keeper, opposite poles are put together and a small piece of soft iron called keeper is placed across them to form a closed magnetic circuit. These soft iron pieces protect the magnets from external demagnetizing fields. Now we'll study demagnetization of a magnet. A magnet can be demagnetized by various methods. Some of the methods are dropping it from a height repeatedly on a hard surface, hammering the magnet repeatedly on a hard surface, causing disorder in the magnetic ability inside the magnet. Heating the magnet to extreme temperature. This method will also demagnetize a magnet. And passing an alternate current through a coil around a magnet in the east-west direction. This will lead the demagnetization of a magnet. So these are the methods of demagnetization of a magnet. Students, this completes our chapter magnetism. Along with this chapter, I'll send you the lesson plan also. Do the work of lesson plan in your books and notebooks. Thank you, students. God bless you.